Hello and welcome to Elvlitos, and today I'm going to show you how to cook this eggless brown pancake. As you can see, it is so delicious and it cooks within minutes. If you're really hungry for a quick snack with flour and oil, all you need is the brown flour, salt to taste if required be, water, cooking oil, where to mix your dough, and another spoon that you'll use to mix your dough into a fine thick paste if you want it to become thick, or a fine thin paste. You just add more water to make it thin and less water to make it thicker, and then another spoon that you will use to mix in your pan when frying it, and also use it for turning it. So let's get on to cooking. It is so easy. Let me show you how to get started. So you take your pan and you heat it up a little bit. As it heats up, you put in a little bit of cooking oil, just a little bit, like that. And then you wait for the oil to heat up just a little bit. Okay, as it is heating it up, you pour in the cooking dough, the pancake dough. As you can see, it has started to frizzle all over, and you take the other clean spoon that doesn't have any dough on it, and you wait for the downside to, first of all, cook up so that it can be easy to move it about. As you can see, it is so soft still. Yeah, it is cooking, this is how it cooks. So delicious, so delicious. Quick snack. As I told you, it cooks in minutes, maybe even seconds. Don't stay long. As you can see, it is cooking it up all the way onto the middle part. Use the spoon to let the oil get in more, as you can see, and to loosen the underside as well. Yeah, it is cooking so beautifully. This is how you do it. Now, as you can see, it is all loosened up, but it's not ready for turning yet. This is why we have this spoon. It is not yet ready for turning. Still cooking up, still cooking up. Don't put a lot of fire, just put a little bit of fire. Okay, still cooking up, still cooking up. Okay, shall we try turning it right about now? Let me see if it is okay for us to turn it. This is how you turn the pancake. Make sure the spoon is in the middle part. Okay, and just flip it like that. Wow, there you go, another beautiful pancake, and you let the underside cook. So beautiful, so yummy. A yummy brown pancake. Quick and fast. Yeah, it's cooking so delicious. So delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, you just do like this to make sure the under part of it also cooks well. You can also pound on top of it. Okay, and flip it over one more time. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, so beautiful. It kind of looks like chapati. Remember, I haven't kept any eggs. This is an eggless pancake. No eggs at all. Okay, yeah, so beautiful. Then flip it once more. Nice. See the brown creases, so beautiful and yummy. Thank you so much for watching. It is done now. Like and subscribe this video, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Become a VIS by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Yeah.